Hello friends, are you ready to learn phonics with Miss Gabby today? I hope so. Today we're going to look at words with long I and silent E, and long I with the silent GH. The first word is drive. Drive. The word drive, the I, you pronounce it long, and the E is silent. The next word with a long I and silent E is the word hive. Hive. It's a beehive. Next we have the word with long I and silent GH. And to pronounce this word is right. Right. Next, the word light. Light. Can you hear when I pronounce the I sound is long, but you cannot hear the GH. So the word is pronounced light. Light. Okay friends, those were just some examples of words with long I and silent E, and long I with silent G and H. There's actually more than that. Those were just some examples. We'll discuss more during class time. Okay guys, I'll see you again next time. Bye!